Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some residents of Warri South Local Government Area of Delta State have hailed the Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of A&E Group, Chief Ayiri Emami, for citing its petroleum products filling station in their community. The residents, who believe that the development will boost economic activities as well as provide job opportunities in the area, gave the commendation last week during the commissioning of the facility located beside Warri Main Garage in Warri South Local Government Area of the state.
We are praying for more projects like this in our community, in our kingdom.
After the crisis, the Warri we used to know, and the full of investment and the rest of it, has been somehow better. As we speak today, with such edifice, I think life is coming back to Warri.
A&E Petrol Station is an offshoot of the A&E Group with investments in oil and gas, construction haulage, entertainment and the hospitality industry. Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of A&E Group, Chief Ayiri Emami, is a businessman who has been deliberate in establishing his businesses in Warri Delta State, where he comes from.
As a proper Warri boy, I must, whatever I think I can do in Lagos, I can do in Abuja. I should be able to do it in my town. When I was to build the tank farm, people were saying, why don't you go and invest it in Lagos? Not that I can't do it in Lagos, but if I do it in Lagos, I'll be creating more job opportunity in Lagos. But I did it here. I was able to engage my people.
During the commissioning, Senator Adams Oshomole called on all prominent and young Nigerians to emulate the thoughtfulness of Ayiri.
Chief has shown by his example that it's not about somebody coming to pity you and help you out. It's about you fighting your way through all the difficulties and turning obstacles to opportunities.
Warri Delta State is a rapidly growing urban area, and owing to investments like this, the state will continue to open up for more businesses to thrive.
The governor, in this magnitude, with his policy or the more agenda, these are the agenda for prosperity. This will create opportunity for more debtors to be engaged in terms of employment.
After the commissioning ceremony, Senator Oshomole formally opened up sales at this station.
Inside the Niger Delta,